Guys, in my previous video I have shown you guys how to change the color using CSS when you have a HTML programming, how to change the color for your header and also for your paragraph. We have seen how to do that in my previous video. Here what I'm going to show you is how to change the line spacing. Okay, here I have a code right here. I didn't do any line spacing. Let's see how it appears. Yeah, I put l.html and then I serve it on desktop. Here we go. When I run this is how it's look like. Okay, I don't have any spacing and this is how the lines look like. Okay, now let's go ahead and change the line spacing and see how it's gonna be different. Okay, here to do the line spacing, what we have to do is we have to go to the head again. We are here, the first thing we change the header color, that's this one. And then to do the line changing again, I put P for paragraph because we are changing the line space for paragraph. So we put P right here. And then in the curly bracket, I put line and then dash height. And then colon mark right here. And then how much you want to change. I want to change it to 200%. 200%, and then semicolon, close the curly bracket. Now let's serve this one as li.html li.html and I serve it on desktop. It's here. When I run this one, here you can see this is my new thing. If you look at the previous one, we don't have any space, nothing at all. Here this is how it appears after we change the line spacing. That's how we do this kind of things. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys later.